Hi guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Drummer Stuart, and today I'm going to be making a Lamborghini sound out of a metal soda can, okay? And the first way you can make a Lamborghini sound out of a out of a soda can is like this. And then the second way you can make a Lamborghini sound is like this. Oh, okay, let's get to it. Number one. That was the first one. That was the first one. Now I'm gonna do the second one now, which is okay. That's how you can make a Lamborghini sound out of a metal soda can, okay? Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, and check the comments down below and tell me what you tell me what you want me to do in the videos, okay? I hope you enjoyed, okay? Remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.